guys, good afternoon, and I'm here at the apartment to give you an update. And today is February 23? Yeah, February 23, Saturday. Tomorrow we're gonna move in, guys. We started to do the renovation. That was before Christmas. That's December 21 or 20. But we didn't renovate the bathroom yet because that takes a lot of time, and it's very expensive to renovate the bathroom. Now I'm gonna show you the party or the entrance. So if you haven't seen the house tour before we renovated it, I will just put the link at the description box so you can see how it changed a lot. So I will give you an update today. I'm gonna show you now, guys, the entrance. So here is the entrance. So what we did here is we painted it. We will put a list, or like I'm not so sure what is it in English, but we call it list in Norwegian. Since we took it out because we put something in the wall and it's already very dirty and very, like that. There, we will just buy a new one. And here is the bathroom. So we will put another new door part here. So yeah, and this part in the garderobe, or like a cabinet where we can hang our jackets on. This one here will be a cabinet in this part. Cabinet. That is the entrance. This is the entrance to the bathroom and the toilet, guest toilet, because that one we will gonna close. This one here will be one whole bathroom. So yeah, if you haven't watched my previous vlog on it, like house tour, check on it how I planned the bathroom or what we're gonna do there. So here's the entrance. So we will go here. Oh, there will be a like a small cabinet, and I will put a mirror here and some decoration. So this part here is the master, not masters, but guest room. This is the guest room, and if you watch my previous vlog, it was a kitchen before, and it's dark, guys, because we don't have lights there yet. And the color of this is there. That color, the color name of that is what was that? Oslo S. That is a little bit green. I know you won't appreciate it, guys, because I know you won't appreciate the color because it's not common in the Philippines, but oh, it's so cold here. How is it? But in Norway, it is common. This common color in Norway. Oh, why is it like this? Why is it cold here? Because I turn on the heater. We have a control system here. This one is the heater. So if I were gonna push it like that, so it will turn it on here. So the temperature inside here is 23.5 degrees. So maybe I will up to 24 at one, because it's still very cold here, guys. I don't know why. And here is, my god, here is the walk-in closet. That one, guys, it is so chaotic. That one there is hanging, and there's a drawer there, and there is husband's place there. That is not yet fixed. So we still lacking of two drawers there, and we still need to put cover in the near the ceiling. Here also we still need to cover something, and there we still need to stick that to the wall, or like screw it to the wall. And we still have boxes here that needs to be empty. I still a lot of things to do, guys. So here is the kitchen. So it's still dark, guys, because we haven't put the lights yet. We don't have lights here yet. So it's just this one here. This one that is brown, and that one there in the side. So I'll still gonna paint the white there, the border of the windows. And here is the kitchen. So hubby is putting the bench plate of the kitchen. So we were just doing it by ourselves like that. And there is the kitchen. We haven't took the cover in that white yet, like that. And we still need to put something there and the under, and cover also up there, so it will looks nice. And that one there, that line there, will be lights, LED lights. And that side there there will be micro oven or microwave. Yeah, that part there, microwave. So that will be up a little bit, or maybe this one will be down, and then microwave is in the upper part. And the window will still need to have a list or the cover in the side of the window, so it's not yet done. And we still need to repaint that. And this one also, we still need to paint that. And what else? We still need to put the faucet. We still need to put faucets. And if you will gonna ask, where is our fridge? So the fridge is there. There is the fridge, and that two there. There is the fridge, and there is the fridge and then freezer. And in this part also is that hole there that doesn't have a shelves or doesn't have a drawer. That is of washing machine or dishwasher. So we still have a lot of stuffs to do here, guys, but at least we can move in. And here is the stua, or this will be here the space stua or dining table, where there's the lights up there. Needs to be installed. And here will be the couch. The couch here in this side, and the TV will be here. I don't know, guys, if the color in the camera is good, but this one here is, I can't really say that I really like the color because it's still dark here, but I'm not so sure, guys, but this is famous in Norway, this color. It's called soft teal. The other one in the entrance is dark teal, and this is soft teal. So this one here. I'm not so sure if I'm gonna love it or not, but if I'm not, then we will find another paint and we'll just repaint it. It's just very easy to repaint it. And guys, our sofa will come in April. Yes, guys, it will come in April. Still have 5 minutes. So yeah, it will come in April, guys, because and our table also will come in April, and we don't have chairs yet. Oh my god. We don't have chairs, we don't have table, and we don't have sofa. So the sofa and the table is, it will come in April because, sit na lang ako dito. It will come in April, guys, because it's usually in Norway na it will, if you're gonna order it, oh, it looks nice with the lights there. There, it looks nice. So it will come in April, guys, because we ordered it 2 weeks ago, and they said that it will come, or the ordered will be 14 weeks. Was it 14 weeks? 9 weeks, 10 weeks. Because it will come in the middle of April. So 2 weeks in April, 4 weeks in March, and yeah, 9 weeks or 10 weeks. So it's like that. So what we're gonna do today is since we don't have anything here, we will just sit on in the floor, which is cold. So what we're gonna do today is, when hubby came back from work, we will gonna go to IKEA to buy a sofa bed, which can be put at the guest room after when we get our sofa. So that is still practical, right? So we still have we have the sofa now, and then after we will just put it to the guest room and make it as a bed. So it's sofa bed. So yeah. So ganyan, guys. Ay, maganda pala siya pag may good lighting, no? It's really nice. So maybe I'm gonna love it. So what I'm gonna do, here I haven't showed you there is our veranda, guys. It's full of trash. There is our balcony. It's full of trash. So maybe we will gonna throw it next weekend. Here is the bedroom. There. So there is the bedroom. So my shadow is there. So that is the bedroom. So we have that color there. That is what color is it? Deco. I forgot. So here is, we just painted it white, and then we have the floor here. That is also light, and our stuffs there. There's a food there. So there we're gonna put the bed and the two side table. And in this part here is, we will gonna put our infinity. Oh my god. Makeup table. Vanity mirror. There we're gonna put the vanity mirror. And so we're gonna turn like that. So there, that window there is not yet finished, and that wall there, and in this side is going to that one there. That is going to the bathroom. So this is not yet done, guys. We still need to fix this maybe after 2 months, as what I've said. So this one here will have own bathroom. So we don't need to use the other one because that one will be closed. That door there will be closed. So this is, guys. So this is how it looks like. I guess I will not be painting now because hubby didn't put the fuga here in the sides or the silicone. So maybe I will just paint the empty boxes. And I guess that's all, guys. I will just update you soon if there is a big changes or if we are already done here. Even if there's no decoration yet. Oh my god, I have crumbs. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next vlog. Bye!